Welcome to Best RV channel. I am Nala Mari from Best RV in Trolla, California. Today we're presenting to you the brand new 2025 Coachmen Cross Trail Extreme Editions 20XB. Now this beautiful Ford Transit motorhome is designed for the one who like to do a lot of extreme sport. A lot of people who do a lot of fishing, snowboarding, skiing, mountain bicycle, swimmings, a lot of outdoor things, because what it has, other Class C motorhome or other Ford Transit or other Bs or other Mercedes Sprinter, they don't provide it. What me personally like is the look about it. It's really muscular. It has this nice metal bar with a LED light in the front, floodlight. So when you go to the extreme, nice Ford Transit. It's, and then you have here is nice aerodynamic. And by the way, this is infused fiberglass with paints. This is painted fiberglass. A beautiful power awnings. As you see, there's no hardware for this awning, and this is a wind sensor. Again, this motorhome is designed for somebody like to do off-roading. That's mean. What does mean off-roading? Is like you like to go in the mountain, middle nowhere, on the beach nowhere, because it has two different source of power. It has the LP generators, as well it has a 3,000 watt inverter with a lithium battery and a solar system. So I could run this way, both way. I could run off the solar and the lithium battery, or I could run it off the LP generators. It has also outdoor kitchen on the 20XG. So you see here, there's outside grill with a prepping table. I have a TV hookup outside. I have outside sprayers for extreme, if I want to rinse my dogs or my bicycles. And this is the key. This what is sell this motorhome. Here's, I mean, even I could go inside this cargo area, and this cargo area has a really nice tie down. I could put whatever I want. Snowboarding now in the cold weather, skiing, fishing, mountain bicycles, whatever you want, canoes, whatever I could put in this one, I could utilize this motorhome, and I may still have the nice high-end Sprinter or Ford chassis amenities. And this one I could, access from both sides, as you see here. It has a really nice tie down. I could adjust the tie down the way I want it, and you could see these are solid metal tie down. I could go here and adjust it the way I want. It has even plug. It has a 350-pound capacity, load capacity in this cargo area. So if you have a little motorcycles, Honda, or that kind of stuff, you could put here. This is perfect also motorhome for people who like to do dog shows. They like to put their dogs here, their dog cranes or cats, whatever they like to do. If they have big dogs, they would like to take them while they're driving the motorhome. They could put it right here. It has heat, has air conditions, it's accessible. It has even windows on this side, you could see, and windows on the other side. So you could do multiple things with this cargo area. It's very easy to close. Voila. And if I want to open it, it's right there. Now, as typical Ford Transit Cross Trail, they give me the camera in the back, camera on the driver's side and passenger side, as well Class 3 hitch in the rear. Leopard expandable ladder prep, and come with the ladder. Again, accessible both way. I like about this motorhome, it has this curve with all the plumbing is lifted up, so it's easy. I have endless hot water heater, typical endless hot water heater, continuous hot water cover hookup. Then it has the cargo area where I could put whatever I like, my power cord, whatever I need, and they're magnets. And then over here I have my LP generators. So this one has 4,000 watt LP generator. So it has a 3,000 watt inverter with the lithium battery pack, as well 4,000 propane, actually 4,000 unleaded gas generators. As you see here, I have the camera on the driver's side as well passenger. I love the step here. It's very metal. You could clean your shoes before you walk in. So you could see how beautiful this Ford Transit with a solid running board or rack in the front, aerodynamic on the front for LED lights, winds, gel coated fiberglass, Asdil fiberglass. Also, it's a prep for additional solar system if you want to put outside. You have a propane tank located right there, right here. That's propane tank. So it's amazing. And then this outdoor kitchen is very easy to close. Voila. And it's on a shock. Done. I'm ready to go camping in my Ford Transit. We're actually Coachmen Cross Trail Extreme 20XG. Let's go inside and show you all the new features. Walk in from the entry door, we have the nice cabinet. And matter of fact, you see there's a nice lock here. You see, to open the lock so they don't come open when you're traveling. So these cabinet is very nice. All LED lights, nice and beautiful dinette. So from the walk-in straight to the dinette with the beautiful cushions. You can see they're very thick. And again, this is turned to a table. This motorhome sleep between 3 to 4 depending on the sizes. 2 in the back, 1 here, or maybe little tiny 2 kids. Across from the dinette, we have a full complete kitchen. So there's a place for cooking pan. This is a convection microwave oven. And then we have the 2 inductions stove. Nice sink. I have extension countertop prep area, as you see right here. And then we have a place for, silverware, tinsel doors, as you see here, and more cooking pans or trash can. This motorhome come with 2 source of powers. Come with the typical the LP generators, as well it has the big lithium system with inverter. It come with it, as you see. If I show you underneath the dinette, if you give me a minute, I'll show you those systems, and I'll show you the extreme big lithium battery. Again, over here you don't have to do nothing. All I'm just showing to you the extreme. This is not a storage, just to let you know, but I want to show you the big lithium battery come with this motorhome. As you see, if you give me a minute here, and this is very extreme lithium battery. Look how big it is, plus all that inverter system. Again, you don't have to do nothing here. This is not for storage. This just, I want to demonstrate and show you how big that lithium system come with it. So this is perfect for somebody who would like to go to the mountains or on the beach, go middle nowhere, and like the outdoor. This is perfect for somebody love the extreme outdoor. That's the reason why they call it Cross Trail Extreme, and we'll show you outside what that means. So after the kitchen, we're gonna pass through here. So if you tell me you need a pantry, yes, there's a room here for pantry. So you have 1, 2, 3 big shelf pantry. As well, you have 2 here at the bottom. So you have a lot of closet, a lot of storage, pantry, a dinette, and a kitchen. Full kitchen and full storage in the top. Now when we walk in here to the back, I have a nice full bed, as you see. I sleep easy 2 people. I have my fantastic fan in the ceiling. I have my 2 windows on this side. Let me show you. These windows is open. You have 1 here and 1 on the other side. And they have also the screen like this one. I could do it this way if I want. If you want to show them, it has the screen as well the shade. one on this side and one on the other side, and also I could use it as emergency exit. But the nice thing about this one, this particular motorhome, so this big bed in the back, I could raise it up and have more option of to work around the unit. So I could easy to load my dirt bike, I could easily load my mountain bicycle, my canoe, my fishing, whatever you want to load in this. And by doing that, all you do is just pushing this switch up, whole entire bed, sleep two people, go up in the ceiling. You don't have to do nothing physically, just only turn a switch and push the switch up, voila. And then you could see here's the cargo area. And what I like about Coachmen Cross Trail, they give you a flexible tie down. So these are tie down, and I could adjust it from one location. I could put it from one location to another, to whatever I want. Come with a ladder for the outside. This is a screen. And then you could see these are the two storage places. You could load from them. You have one on this side, and then I have another one. Give me a second. And this one. So you could see from both sides, I could load this motorhome, whatever I want. This has a 350-pound of maximum load capacity. So I could put a small motorcycle, a dirt bike, or whatever I want to go do outdoor with this motorhome and enjoy the camping and outdoors. Walking from here, I have a beautiful standing shower with a screen, with a skylight and a solid door. And then here's I have a solid door with, you can see towel rack. I put my jacket, but it has a nice medicine cabinet so I could wash my hand. And you're gonna ask me, where's the closet? Well, voila, they give you a huge closet here to hang clothes. So you have a big closet here. You have a sink, and then you have a place here for all your chemistries, shampoos, whatever's. And then you have a nice, beautiful medicine cabinet here. So you have medicine cabinet, closet for towels, and a big, huge closet for all your clothes and your need. So as you see, the 20J easy toilet to get in. So the 20J Cross Trail Extreme, it's a perfect motorhome for somebody who want to go off-roading or go middle nowheres and take stuff with him. Now, if we go on the front here, we have a beautiful, let me fold this one so I want to show you a couple of things. We have a nice, beautiful Samsung Smart TV, as you see here. Nice pocket for remote controls, books, whatever. As you see, this motorhome is on a Ford Transit. And again, this is the new chassis with a bigger screen, adaptive cruise, airbags, and typical Ford Transit chassis. You could do smart everything, all loading map, GPS, stereos, CarPlay, AutoPlay, Apple Play. Plus I have 3 cameras, so I could see the cameras in the back, the right, and the left. So this is come with the 3 camera system, ready to go. A beautiful beautiful Coachmen Cross Trail Transit on a Ford Transit in Extreme Edition 20XG. Come to Best RV. We assure you, I did a massive shopping for you in the state of California to give you the lowest price on a brand new 2025. You shop. This is 2025. You shop. We give you a price no one could match and no hidden fees. Come grab the Cross Trail Extreme and let's go to the mountain, enjoy hiking, biking, fishing. Let's go to the beach, swimming, whatever you like. Come in and let's go enjoy it.